Hey guys, my name's Cooper and I'm with CLS Landscape, and today we're here in Watermark on Damcar Drive at a project we recently completed. This project features a lot of different aspects, from contrasting rocks to patios, lighting, curbing, trees and shrubs, and it's a very low maintenance project as well. The customer wanted a high degree of curb appeal from the front, and then in the back they want some functional spaces. So in the front yard here, we've got some Rundle stepping stones in our 25mm Rundle Rock. We've got a concrete poured edger to divide the grass from the decorative rock. We've got some trees, we've got our In-lite scopes, and then we've got an address rock. We've also installed some rabbit deterrent, as there's quite a bit of wildlife in the area. We've had a lot of little animals munching on our tree trunks, so this will help keep them growing and alive for a long time. Hey guys, so as we transition to the backyard, you'll see that we've got full irrigation on the whole project, different zones for different beds and grass areas to gain full coverage. We've got our border here poured concrete, we've got our trees and shrubs, and then what we've got here is the contrast between our 10mm Rundle Rock pathway and our 40mm wash rock in these beds as we move to the back. Come on, we'll go check out the back. So in the backyard here, we built full width steps off of the builder deck. So we've got full width steps. We have a paving stone patio. This is a Dimensions 12 Tofino gray patio from Expocrete. So again, we have compacted all the crush all the way up, laid the pavers and cut them into this really unique design. We've got our Rundle stepping stones into our fire pit area, where we also have a Dimensions patio. We've got lighting throughout the back to create that ambiance, that feel. And then we built this privacy screen here for just that little extra privacy and a bit of a windbreak for the fire pit area. The whole backyard has a very nice flow and feel to it, and it's very easy to maintain. A little bit of grass, but a lot of rock mulch and stonescapes.